Yeah. Hey guys, this is Super Steve 6862, or as most of y'all know me as Cool Creeper 99. One of my friends are gonna be playing Rolling Sky for a while, so here we go. And today we're at school, so most of my videos are gonna be made at school. Some of them sometimes may be made at home.
Ignore the background stuff.
Yeah, because
It's free time right now, so.
yeah, they're going crazy. Well, not really crazy.
Sorry.
No!
God. Alright, here we go.
Do that one.
This was hard.
I know, right? I got to
I bet-
73%.
I beat it on my phone.
I beat it once, but after I deleted it because I couldn't beat the other one. I got so mad, so I deleted it. And I'm like, no! My achievements.
Can I try? At 10?
We're on a YouTube video.
Yeah. Shout outs to one of my friends, Jared, and the one that's playing right now is Dominic, or how we call him is Debo.
He's my best friend.
Yeah, so, oh yeah, y'all should follow on YouTube Jared, but I'm still gonna help him out with his changing of his name of YouTube because
Yeah, because I'm still using my papa's account,
oh, so close. Oh, but you didn't get as far as I
Can
did.
I try?
Wait,
Hold on. That's a big one you got there.
We're on a YouTube video. See which one have you not did.
I haven't done nothing.
This one, like, you die as soon as you start watching.
Yeah.
We can be right now. Shut the fuck up.
Whoa, see? It's too fast.
Yeah.
Watch.
Wait, let me try this one.
That was hard.
Can I try these?
Yeah, wait.
What's your phone?
Oh, I'm gonna look at my dad. I'm getting
my dad's.
I'm getting this.
Guess what I'm getting when I go back to my dad's? Look what happened. Boy.
Boy.
Guess what I'm getting when I go back to my dad's?
Okay, there we go. Let's try this one.
Your butt. How you know?
I got 1%. Well, I got 1% more than you.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. I got 1% more than you.
Oops. Did not need to do that.
Got him.
I got 4%.
That's the same place that you died in just a minute ago. No.
Oh, I got 7%.
Oh, wait.
Hold on, I gotta get some more.
Yeah.
Hold on, Jared.
Wait, let him try once.
Gotta get more.
Yeah, no.
Hey, you need to edit that out.
No.
You got to watch it if you want to get more live.
I meant like edit out.
I'm not doing it.
Alright about it. Man, let's talk about some. Take the ad out of the video. I mean,
The only way.
what's 30 seconds gonna do to you?
Yeah.
Jared, Church?
What y'all doing?
Church?
Go to his YouTube.
Church?
Go to his YouTube. He doesn't have anything.
We're making a video
You're not
now.
gonna be able to find it. Unless he has any videos, you're not gonna be able
I
to
do.
find it.
That one video that we made.
Boy.
How many videos you got? Doing the mannequin and like the you know what challenge. I'm gonna suck.
Yeah, you are. No, you're gonna swallow.
I couldn't.
Got him.
I suck, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Can I try another map?
You know you're supposed to be down there, right?
Hey, can I try another map?
No. I'm gonna try to get to 70%.
Hey, let me play some with surfers after this
Okay, now we're gonna be playing.
You got Roblox.
Yeah, I got Roblox. Murder mystery.
Roblox.
Roblox. What's Roblox? Okay, we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. Diva's going first.
See, Anthony, I hope your high score's high because I'm about to beat that high score.
You can't. You ain't.
Well, I may not, but my high score on my phone and my tablet is on Facebook. I was one of the highest people. I was in second place
I was in
with
third.
all my Facebook friends.
Hey, who's on?
Wait, you have a Facebook?
Who's going second?
What's your
What in the world?
He just don't want. They just don't want you to.
Sorry about the delay, but
So yeah, guys, I might be making a video at home too, so stay tuned for that. This video is going up first, then the other one. The one at home is gonna be about the Roblox murder mystery.
Finally.
Let's see if he can beat my high score.
I don't know what your high score is. That's your high score?
Yeah.
Boy,
I could beat that.
I'm about to skunk it.
Nah, just kidding. That ain't my high score.
I ain't think so.
Well, that was my first high score.
It's already going fast, so that's crazy. Do you have any boards?
Huh?
Do you have any boards?
Yeah. I have 28.
Don't make fun of my accent, alright?
Church? 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 We pick on Jared because the way he talks, he don't say church, he says church. Church? Church?
Oh, but he does
Jared,
understand why.
church?
He understands why.
He
though.
knows we're not being serious. Man.
He understands why. So.
And go watch Jared's videos. Like and subscribe him. All that. Tell him your YouTube channel.
Right now it's my papa's name. It's Henley Smith.
It's Henry Smith.
Henley.
Henley.
Yeah, for now. Until I change
Henley, not Henry. Henley.
it. Yeah, until I change it.
And yeah, follow my cousin too, Prodigy Zeno. He has more videos than I do, but he made a gameplay at my house. This 25-second clip where he scored at least 1 goal, even though he already had 4 goals. So yeah, follow him. Even though he doesn't want me to say that, guys, because he has more friends than I do. And I'm like, I don't care. Key. Yeah. So close. Oh, thanks. I hate uneven numbers.
I do too. That's why when I turn the volume up on my TV or something, it's got to be an even number.
I know, right? No, whenever my dad puts it on 27, I'm like, no, put it on 28 or 26.
I was watching 28 last night because of wrestling and that new show, Shooter. That's pretty cool. Where the guy set him up for killing the president. It comes on every Tuesday.
No, y'all should download this game, Mr. President.
I know, man. No, I tried to download it and it was so slow.
It didn't even let me play it. I had downloaded it and everything.
It was slow on it. It was just sitting there loading.
Yeah.
I tried it.
It
I
loaded
did it on my
like for
mom's
3
tablet.
hours in a whole 3 hours because it was like 2 o'clock.
Hey, I know
waited
what
till
that
3.
I know what
2 o'clock to 3 is.
I mean, my mom had just got home. It was like 5:50 when it just got on, and automatically it took me out. I'm like, no, so I just deleted it and downloaded Beat the Boss.
You need to get Beat the Boss 3.
I hate how some people like make fun of me, calling me gay.
Why do people call you gay?
I don't know. Do I sound gay?
No, not really. Well, I ain't gonna say no or yeah because I don't judge boys.
Well, I'm asking you, what do I look like?
Jared,
What?
you look like Jared.
Do I look big?
No,
I'm not gonna answer that question.
No,
I
you
mean-
should have seen. Drew made fun of him like during class, or the substitute was there. So
I'm sorry.
So he went to the guidance counselor. They were making
Yeah, I
him.
did.
Yeah, they were. He was about to cry.
I wasn't about to cry. I don't cry a lot. So. you looking at me like that for? I don't.
Because you know you lying, Jared.
I know I'm not lying. That's the thing.
You ain't got to lie, Craig. You ain't got to lie.
Why you always lying?
Exactly.
Because you're stupid.
There's 2 more.
No!
It's gonna be 24, yeah.
Hey,
When you get ISS, Jason, I'm going to be laughing.
She ain't gonna give nobody access.
just for moving limit. Come on.
Right.
If she does, she overreacts way too much.
Yeah.
I mean,
She already does that. I mean,
No.
Oh yeah, true.
dang.
You were trying to get that box.
They want a box, so it's a thing.
Yeah. You have some of those. I'm bad at the
We
box
gonna get
sometimes.
funky.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's uneven.
Well, yeah. So it'd still be uneven.
Yeah. It would be 21.
Could I try? Could I try?
Guys, wait.
I could beat that.
Let's do it. Let's play.
Wait, no.
Wait. Let's try. Let's play Beat the Boss 4. Wait, I have. Wait, did I play? No, he's the only one who did it. We're still gonna do it. Wait. Please say this. Yeah.
How do you do the face cam?
Huh?
How do you do the face cam?
Nice game.
Oh. Wait. It doesn't have that.
What do you think? There's something called SETTING settings. It ain't loading quick. I know you weren't talking.
Smashy Road's pretty cool. My cousin had that.
I have Ski Safari.
I haven't played that.
Look, it's a good game.
Wait, what's that?
What?
I can't tell what it was. I was trying to see what it was.
Which one? You shouldn't see the rabbit.
Miss Gentry, hey Jordan. Miss Gentry still got your ass. Miss Gentry still got that ass.
Yeah, she does.
See? Jordan. Boy, girl. You're not picking Jordan.
Okay, guys. This is Ski Safari. I think I already uploaded the game play on this. I don't remember. No, I didn't. Wait.
I think I saw you play this yesterday. I think I saw you play this. Or a YouTube video where now you gotta keep tapping to get back up.
Yeah.
4 times.
Who's playing this?
Yes. Me neither.
No.
Let me play a legit.
Should I use the rocket?
Yes, I can.
Or the
No.
jetpack? Too late.
Oh well.
The Yeti took. Seriously. Sorry about the loudness. Lava Lance. Knock over 3 Yetis while riding a dino. I don't know how to get the dino. Oh wait, yes I do.
Boy. You about to get weed on. You about to get weed on.
I just survived.
Nah, do it.
Penguin. Oh, thanks, Penguin.
When he started tapping, he thought he was about to get killed. I saw that.
No, right there, jetpack.
Got him. That was pretty hard.
And I can't do any moves on this. When you're writing something to save you.
Every time you die, you should use.
Yeah,
Every time you die, you should use your jetpack. Oh,
you can't. You can only use
is that a
the
hoodlum?
Yeti.
Oh, it's a Yeti.
Yeah, it's a Jurassic Yeti.
Oh yeah. Surfboard.
Come on, stand up.
Oh.
Just that looks very good. Mammoth. No, it didn't let me stand up. Why? Wait, friends. Aww. Now Diva's gonna play.
Alright, so
Then Jared.
just keep tapping, right?
You don't have to keep on tapping.
Well, that
Unless you die or get hurt,
How do I jump?
just tap it once.
Okay.
Like if you want to do a backflip, hold it. Wait, look.
Hey, what? I get to play again. That won't right.
I did that on purpose. I'm like, yeah, let's do this right.
I'm sorry. I feel
Picture. Whee!
Surfboard. Oh my jeez, what in the world?
He fell in straight.
What in the world? Oh my jeez.
This is the best gameplay yet. Ooh, armadillo, I think.
Dang, boy, that dude got some speed on him.
I know, right? Oh.
Tumble, tumble, tumbling, tumbling. That was hot.
I just like getting on those. Oh, no.
I don't.
Of course you don't.
Hold up. Hold on.
Just, you didn't cheat me. You haven't beat me.
Yeah, 'cause that's my first time ever playing.
Alright, I don't know how to play.
You don't have to know.
Exactly.
It's easy.
It
Just
really
tap.
is. Once you're trying to jump over something, tap.
Yeah. Or you can hold it too.
Oh, good. No!
Oh, nope.
No.
He can't anyways, it won't let him.
Yeah. I know.
Alright, Anthony, back out. Let me see something real quick. It was a game that I had to right. What's kind of
Oh, it's my editing.
Why is it like that?
Oh, for some reason, I don't know. Let's see. Is there any new filters for Snapchat?
This boy said. Alright, here's your
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I got him.
You can, but you know you got to go to the store to get them.
Got him. I don't have to get him. I don't even have to pay
I
any
ain't
money.
getting in trouble for you.
I'm like, throw it on Jared.
I'm gonna
Wait, what's
survive.
that?
Oh
Oh, I
yeah.
got that. I
Yeah.
had that.
Oh, that's
Smashy Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
I'm good at that.
Goodbye, Pops. Escape.
I'm good at that.
Okay, guys. I guess I'm gonna have to stop this. We're leaving.
Killing the
so-
motherfucker. Killing the motherfucker, Anthony.
Okay, goodbye, guys.